So as you can see, we've sort of switched camera angles, and now I'm going to show you how the code runs, the flow of it, and also how I feel like this project really helped us, me and the group, excel in our understanding of MATLAB. So if you'll come over here, it begins by asking what type of question you would like to see. The user inputs 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm going to start with 1, and then I guess year we can start with 2012. And then as you can see, a pie chart is displayed showing the major crimes in Detroit. Larceny appears to be the most common, right behind burglary. And then FPRNF is used to display all the final counts of each of the crimes. User can input a new question. In this case, we can input 2 to find the crime statistic when sorted by season. In this case, let's find it for winter. I should mention that this code, MATLAB, is case sensitive, so remember to capitalize all your seasons. Final stat for each of the crimes. As I'm not sure if I mentioned the initial one, but due to the nature of MATLAB, you can't really display the names of each of the crimes underneath the respective bars using bar. So an FPRNF shows what type of crime happens, or what number corresponds with what crime. And then a table is used to display the number of crimes and the total number of crimes. Moving on to question 3, where you're allowed to input an hour between 0 and 23. Let's try, 4. And FPRNF is once again used to display the total number of crimes that happen at that hour. And then finally, we can do question number 4, which is the correlation between crimes and holidays, and a table is used to display the day before the holiday, day of a holiday, and the day after. As you can see, the day of a holiday is significantly safer than the days before or after, so the if-else-if statement displays the FPRNF. According to our data, crime goes down when a holiday occurs. And with that, those are all the questions and their corresponding answers. So input any number that's not 1 through 4, 5, and the code ends. So I guess my final thoughts would be, I feel like this final project really helped us sort of have an understanding of how to, usually in this class, the professors give us a question that we have to answer, but this allowed us the freedom to sort of choose our own questions and then have to figure out on our own how to use MATLAB to answer them, which gave us a lot, usually the questions, how you can answer them is you're sort of stuffed in a box. But this, we were forced to use all of our previous knowledge to answer them. So it allowed us to sort of understand what it would be like in the future if we do ever become programmers, how to approach problems that a company would have us work towards or whatnot. And then I feel like just in general, as you saw from all the information or all of our code, I mean, we had plenty of use with for loops and while loops, switch cases, calling functions, displaying data, all that stuff. I find that I feel like I could work at any company with all of the stuff that I've wanted through this final project. So with that, I guess that is it, and I will see you all in class in the future.